Thank you for buying a Lyonel's bridge, or many of them. This is going to be a walkthrough of the hardware and software needed, but we'll focus on the hardware side. Firstly, Lyonel's bridge with the cable. Version running on Parallels, and as you can see, activate Windows. We got a free trial for running for 10 days. And then you install the code loader, and there's a specific process we'll get into and show you that, but it's nothing really scary. It's just clicking the right buttons. It takes seconds to do. And then once those two are put in, you're done with a Lyonel's bridge, and you can install the regular latest module firmware from Buchla USA on the firmware card as you are accustomed to doing. So here we go, simple process. Double click. And it slides right in easily. And I'll show you, yeah, not the black side here, that's the non-conductive side, silver side in. And once you hit enumerate USB, that is basically kind of like the app communicating, or the utility communicating to the debugger, and connect means not gonna work because we intentionally disconnected it. Ooh, Christmas tree. Let's go ahead and fix that. Boom, hey, success, fantastic. Whew, congratulations to us. It is now ready to go.